Okay, so I'm recording this video for yesterday because I didn't get to record yesterday. A lot of things happened, but I wanted to let you guys know that patience is key, okay? I didn't go live at all yesterday. Did post one video about a success story from a client, and that brought me in what you see here. So again, content does convert. I've been telling you guys that throughout my monetization journey. On my page, I'm going to start posting some strategies and some real tips outside of just letting you guys see how much my monetization journey is making on a day-to-day basis. For right now, I want you guys to just understand that patience is key, okay? Be patient with your content. Don't stress over money. Just allow God to do his thing. Faith without the works is dead. Understand that. So if you're not posting, you can't expect to make money off your content. If you don't have a coach or a mentor, you can't expect to know the proper strategies to convert your content, okay? So I'll see y'all in the next video, more tips on a longer version of exactly how to go about doing this in another video.